Hello everyone, I'm Tabitha, owner of Elegant Homes and Interiors, and good evening. If you guys are coming on here, let me know. I hope I'm on the right page and that I can see, because I can't see anybody. So I hope that you guys are here with me, and I hope I can see some comments, but I'm not seeing anybody quite yet. So I don't know what to do. I don't know if this is actually, comments will appear here. Okay, so it's saying that the comments will appear here. So let me know if you guys are on here with me tonight. I can't wait. This is Tuesday Talks with Tabitha. So I'm just gonna get started, okay? Oh, Jason's on here. Okay, somebody is on here with me. Hello, Jason. So at least Jason's on here. I'm hoping that I can see your comments and things like that, because I have no idea. Maddie and I are here. Okay, perfect. Okay, so let's get started. This is Tuesday Talks with Tabitha, as I said. And tonight we're going to talk about the fall workshop. I know a lot of you guys have done the fall workshop with me, but you know, it's been kind of a minute since we did it, so I'm going to tell you what we're doing. We're going to have the fall workshop at Hazel's Coffee Shop downtown, and a lot of you guys have already signed up for that. Some are doing it in person and some are doing it virtually. So what that means when I say virtually means that you're going to be online, and we're going to be doing this while we're watching the workshop. So we had two offers, one that you could go in person and one that you're going to do virtually. So sign up. But if you haven't signed up, you need to. But if you have, that's perfect. But we're going to talk about what you're going to get. I'm going to show you all the goodies that you're going to get in the workshop, okay? So one of the things that we told you that we're going to do is we're going to make a basket. So we're going to take your fall baskets, and you're going to get this in your workshop, okay? Your basket, I guess. I guess your little thing that you're doing. I'll be giving out all your things. The ones that are virtual, we're going to be sending those out this week. So we're going to be giving a basket like this, and then you can hook it onto your door and you can hang it, okay? So that's what's the first thing you're going to be getting with your workshop, okay? The second thing we're going to be doing, this is what I kind of worked everything off of. I know that sounds crazy, but when you're doing florals, you kind of have to plan ahead. And the biggest thing with florals is seeing what's going to be in the basket. So I'm going to show you what's going to be in there. So everybody's going to get one of these, which I absolutely love. This pumpkin, look at the head of it there. Isn't that the little trunk, the little stem is so adorable. It looks real. It's really bright, and it has these really pretty leaves. So everybody's going to get one of these in their basket, okay? So there's that. The second thing is we have to always, when we're doing florals, is we have to look at what is the filler of them, okay? So what's going to be inside of the basket. So one of the things we're going to do is we're going to put the autumn leaves, because who doesn't love autumn leaves, right? We all love them. Looky here. These are super cool. And then they have a little bit of the bittersweet on them. They have the pretty leaves. They have this. But one of the other things that I thought, okay, we can't have just all leaves, because a lot of the time, I always say it and talk about this, and I'll talk about this in the workshop, some different things. I love, love, love to have some greenery in there. And see, adding the two together will make it look so pretty. And we'll talk more about that. Hello, Sue. Good evening. I see some more people hopping on. So the filler of it, I really like to have some green, and I love this. I just think this is so, so pretty. Look at that. So we're going to be putting this together with this, and I'm going to show you how to, I guess, intertwine them or marriage them together. Hello, Peggy. Hello. So one of the things is doing this, okay? So we're going to be putting all this stuff. This is just stuff that you're going to get in your basket. So we're going to put this and this and this. Oh, I just can't wait to show you how we're going to do it. I love that pumpkin. The next thing I'm going to show you that I always love these guys. I used these last fall, and it was amazing. A lot of you guys loved them, and they're so realistic looking. They come in all different sizes as these pine cones. Hello, Stacy. Good evening. Good evening, Sheila. Good evening, Stacy. We got two Stacys on here. So these pine cones, I love these pine cones, guys. They're plastic, but I'm not kidding you. They look real. Look at that. And I absolutely love them. They come in two different sizes, and we're going to be selling these in the boutique this year. So stay tuned for that. That's coming too as well. But we're going to give two of these in your basket as well. So all of this is going to be coming in your little basket so far when you come to the workshop. So you got all this stuff. I just wanted to show you what you're kind of getting. and putting in your little basket. Dun, 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 dun. Okay, so the next thing that really just makes this whole basket pop and really go far. Okay, I'm gonna show you. I love it. I love it. You have to have sunflowers. Everybody needs a sunflower in their life, right? Gives them a little sparkle and a little happiness. Hello, Jennifer. You know, I purchased at least 10 of them last year. I love them. Yes, yes, yes. Oh, these little pine cones. Yes, Stacy. And I think you're in it, Stacy and Jennifer. And so Elsie, hello, good evening. So the one thing that I really wanted to show you is this. Even the stem is even like soft, like a real stem. So this is going to be in everybody's basket. And there's my hair, so I'll pull that off there. So these are going to be in everybody's basket. Aren't they pretty? Look at the leaves on them too, okay? So I'm going to show you how to make these beautiful arrangements in this basket. And this is September the 24th. Sorry, I should have told you that. September the 24th at 1 o'clock at Hazel's Coffee Shop. But we'll be going virtual for the people that paid for it. This will be sent out this week so that you'll have your box or whatever, your little box will come in the mail. And then you'll be able to make them online with us. Because I know some of you guys live out of town. We've had tons of you guys really reach out and buy these that don't live out of town. We're going to have lots of giveaways and things like that. Hello, Chrissy. And so, yes, if you want to get in, you still can do that. Now, I'm going to tell you, we have to go ahead and... shush it, Jason. He said I squint a lot, so maybe I need new glasses and contacts. I do. I just don't like going there. I don't know. They shoot that stuff in your eye, and I don't like it. So anyhow, he knows that I need to go do that. That's why he's saying that. So anyhow, I don't even know what I was thinking. So thanks, Jason. We are going to go to Hazel's on the 24th at 1 o'clock. Everybody, and who's online will be online like this, and you guys can do this. Now, there's going to be giveaways as well. This thing is kind of big. There's going to be giveaways and things like that, so make sure that you sign up really quick. The last day to sign up for this will be Friday. No, I'm sorry. I don't know why I'm saying that. It's Sunday. It's this Sunday will be the last day to sign up for the workshop, so that everybody can get all their goodies and get them at their house. Now, if you're going to the workshop, you'll just come. You just have to show up to the workshop, and we'll have all of this stuff available for you, and we'll be making the baskets together. So the ladies that signed up for it, it's Sunday. Thank you, Renee. The last day will be Sunday evening to sign up. So that we wanted to do this just so that we can get everybody in there and get all their things to them if they're going to do it online. Okay. Hello, Sally. Good evening. So that's the biggest thing that I really wanted to tell you about tonight. Now, we're going to have some giveaways, and I'm going to do another live this week and show you all the giveaways that we're going to be doing. I'm super excited. And dun, 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 the Elegant Boutique, because a lot of you guys have been asking me over and over and over. Good evening, Alice. Is the boutique going to be open? Yes. We're getting that ready. We're going to be opening that up the Friday before. So the 23rd, the Elegant Boutique will be opened up for our fall merchandise. So we'll be talking more about that too. And we're going to talk about more about what is coming up in the future for all the holidays. I'm super excited, guys. So tonight was to talk about the boutique or the workshop, and so get in there. Make sure you get your stuff. If you guys have any questions, leave them below. Hello, Frankie. And I'll try and answer them tonight. So thanks, guys, for being here with me. And, I forgot to tell you the main thing. The main thing. Okay, we're going to give one of these little baskets away for free. So what do you have to do that? I know you guys are wanting to do this. Of course, you like and come on here and share and do all the things, because I know you guys will. You'll share with your friends and family and all the things. So I thank you for that. And one of the other things is you have to be on our email list. Okay, guys, you have to be on the email list. So I will post a thing. So if you would like to win one of these baskets with all these pretty goodies sent to your house, or maybe you want to come in person, then make sure that you like, share, and do all the things like normal. And dun, 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 you have to be on our email list, okay? So if you're not on our email list, go get on our email list, and then that will sign you up. Okay, guys, make sure you're watching for posts and things like that, and we will see you guys on Friday. I have another announcement on Friday, so and we will be announcing that, but let you know, Sunday evening is your last time to sign up for the workshop, Okay, guys, thank you so much for being here, and we'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.